Guys, as you can see, Eric Omondi is back as the trending clip of Anne Kemuto passing the old dead bridge. And now here, Eric Omondi is back. Want to show you how the new bridge has been finished. The new bridge, Eric Omondi is preparing how he should launch the new bridge. Here he is showing how he will launch the new bridge with Anne Kemunto and other fellow friends who assisted by doing so. Welcome all, and let us wait until the day when he will be back for launching the new bridge. You can see, guys, how it looks and how they are acting as a sample or as an example of how they will launch the bridge that was made new since Anne Kemunto was passing the dead bridge, which was when she was going to school. So here, Anne Kemunto will be very happy after launching this new bridge. So welcome, subscribe to my channel Daniel Kereu, when you will gonna see how the bridge will be launched by Eric Omondi and Anne Kemunto. Thank you, bye, see you.